Our local police force use Reveal media cameras, and that's kind of what prompted me to look into Reveal and see what they were offering at the time.
It's a tool. It's like anything else we've got within security.
We currently use around 12, and it's all the security officers that use the cameras.
I'm confident when I do flick go, it's not just recording grainy pictures where somebody can't understand what they look like or hear what I'm saying. It's a clear picture.
I've seen footage that has been recorded on a night shift, probably about 2-3 o'clock in the morning. You can hear exactly what they're saying, see who it is, you can still see clearly who it is they're talking to.
Rather than it being static, you may go to a situation where you've got a 6'6" male to speak to, and if the camera is just facing forward, you're probably going to get his chest. And so the camera head, being able to adjust it is really good.
The Reveal cameras, they are fully encrypted. If something were to happen and a camera was lost, the encryption renders the camera useless. You basically couldn't get hold of any of the footage on the camera.
We work in all conditions: rain, snow, wind, sun, the lot, and the cameras don't let us down, which is really what we look for within security.